10,000 tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream.
5-minute trap.
Thanks for joining, everyone. Good morning, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, everybody. My pandas, my pandas. What a wild day yesterday. Seriously, what a wild day yesterday. I cannot explain how wild it was. Pandas. Pandas. Unfortunately, I know we had a wild day yesterday on stream, but we're starting anew with actually some evals today. Something funky happened, rhythmic and craziness, but all in all, pandas, what we gotta do is we're trading evals today, and hopefully we'll get some stuff tomorrow. Hopefully it will be funded tomorrow. I mean, we're funded with the with my off-stream accounts, but for the stream accounts, we are currently trading evals. But the problem is yes, I'm just saying craziness happened, and so we're gonna be trading evals until some things are resolved. But when I say crazy, I mean crazy. We have PPI numbers causing this huge move up. I'm going to second entry long here. We're trying to pass eval, so we're gonna be trading aggressively today, pandas. Really aggressive. Second entry long here. Should we not be trading like? Oh no, nothing like that. It was something that I mean, it was just with the news. The news went crazy, and weird things happened. But in terms of like just regular trade, should be fine. It's just the news. Let's just say I had a bunch of funded accounts ready for the stream, but the news. I'll just say the news went crazy. The news went crazy on me. So for transparency's sake, I'm letting you know I'm trading evals right now, and we'll be trading aggressively. But if we're funded, I'll let you know if we're funded. We've been funded, but because of the news doing something weird, just it is what it is, pandas. You gotta learn how to get up, brush off the dust, and move forward. That's what you gotta learn how to do every single day when it comes to trading. Yeah, yesterday was crazy. I mean, at the end of yesterday, this is what we had yesterday. This was a price action yesterday. Actually, this is what happened during the regular trading hours. Basically nothing. Very difficult to trade this, in my opinion. It's just choppiness. And it's hard to time the reversals. It's one leg up. It's just very difficult, I think, in my opinion. Good triangle here, break down, fail, break down, break out, and then it's just continues the trading range. I mean, it is just confusing. I don't think yesterday was a particularly easy day. But pandas, we're gonna trade aggressive here. We're gonna try to pass four evals here, and with passing four evals, we're gonna turn them into P accounts. It'd be nice if I can pass them during the stream. I'm trying to figure out how many, like, if I do three trades, would that be enough, pandas? I don't know. You basically need to make $1,000 per trade. Make on average, let's say like 3 points per trade. I think I gotta go max. I gotta go max here. Max or close to max.
$10,000 tick trap.
Pandas. I'm an idiot. This is my first time streaming, sorry. Left the mic on mute. Pandas, it's okay. We're gonna be aggressive. These are evals, so I mean we're risking $33, pandas. It's okay, pandas. In the grand scheme of things, it's nothing. It's really nothing. That's why we're here. Yeah, I deserved it. I deserved it. I set that up. All right, what's going on, pandas? Are we looking for a second entry long here? Looking for a second entry long, right off the trend line, also off the 20 MA. Looking for that 1-to-1. Let's see if we get some runners here. Market just opened. It's not really what I'm looking for. It's actually the opposite of what I'm looking for, pandas. No! Huh? No! No! That's why you don't trade at the open, pandas. Weird things happen. Pandas. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, these are evals. Don't worry, pandas. We're okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Don't worry.
$10,000 tick trap.
I mean, is that even a bad trade? You got 2 points, but you gotta look for the 1-to-1. Is that really even that bad of a trade? I don't think so. I think we're okay here. We're a-okay, pandas. We are a-okay. You could have got 2 points, but you got. I'm looking for one-to-ones. Okay. Establishing a downtrend right now. We got 3 hits now.
10,000 tick trap.
Maybe try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Filling the gap on the 5-minute chart. Very common thing to do. How many points was that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No problem. No problem, pandas. That's calculated. That's a calculated risk. That's more than 4 points I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not even 4 points. 1, 2, 3. 3.5 points. All right, we're good. Trying to fill a gap, it looks like. Panda, by the way, the news, we had news this morning at 8:30, PPI numbers, but from now on, really, we don't have much news until we do have the consumer sentiment tomorrow. It could move the markets. I usually don't see it move the markets that much. Your best bet is Monday if you want to trade news. But yeah, PPI was 50-50. But Monday, I feel like from the rest of the news, that's probably the best what you got. I mean, you got to take what you got. If you could take what you're given, then Monday 8:30 is probably your best bet. We got trap trades far away from the 20 MA. The downtrend is pretty established though here. Ooh, okay, trap may fail. Trap does fail. Amazingly, does fail here. 10,000 tick chart, 20 EMA. May act as support. Okay, getting a nice push up here. I believe we're still looking for a new low. We got 3 hits down. Break of trend. Looking for a new low now. Okay, 5-minute chart is printing a weird candle. I don't know. I can't make much of it. Here's the 5-minute candle. Kind of like a range candle in my opinion. It might have considered filling the gap by just hitting the bar, but technically the gap is down here. By the way, Pens, I am trading evals. So if you're like, oh man, this is too much. We do have bond auction, but honestly, like, that's like once in every 10 years that can really affect the market. Oh, actually, you know what? Nowadays, bond market may really actually affect the markets. Who knows? It could. It's not. It was never considered high impact news until recently, which is kind of funny, right? Like they adjusted bond auction to be high impact news now. It's pretty cool. But the bond auction is like, especially nowadays, I think the market is sensitive to bonds because it's basically right like how they control inflation. It's you know, with the bonds and the money supply. They will. I mean, with the inflation being hot, I mean, the bonds, I can't imagine anything good happening with bonds. Okay, inside bar pushing down. Looking for that new low perhaps now. Okay, new low. There it is. We were waiting for that. Fortunately, we don't have a setup to get into it, but we were waiting for that. It almost triggers a second entry short here, but we were waiting for this new low. Right, we got 3 hits here, downtrend, pushing down now. Five minute trying to fill the gap. Right, the 5 minutes trying to fill the gap here. 10,000 tick chart setting itself up for a nice second entry long. I may attempt this if it's a good signal bar. This looks like it wants one more push down here. Ooh, okay. Interesting.
10,000 tick trap.
Wow. Okay, we reduce our risk here by taking it with that deep retracement, but I will be taking the regular amount of reward here. So we gain a little edge just by doing that. We've got a deep retracement. We're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 points here. Let's see if we can get it. We've got a deep retracement. So it's a second entry short. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're not looking at the right chart. 10,000 tick chart, deep retracement, good signal bar. And it may reverse on me, but that deep retracement made the trade worth it for me. It's gonna take me out, huh? Pretty quickly. Take me out. Takes me out. But that deep retracement made the trade worth it for me. The good signal bar, right? Spike, channel, looking for a new high at the break of the channel or the spike. And this is unfortunate. But that deep retracement for me made this trade, I think, well worth it. I'm trading aggressively, but obviously, like, I wouldn't be this, trading one contract, that's a fine trade. But these are evals. Pandas, these are evals. Calm down. Calm down. LG Williams, how do you get trap alert? This is with the indicator. If you want more information, go to www.twoleggedpullback.com. You can see the URL on the bottom of the HUD or in the description below.
Tick trap.
We finally filled the gap. Maybe I should just wait until the gap filled before making a move. It was a good setup in my opinion. I don't think it's the worst setup. When you look to the left of the chart, maybe you could just said that we're still in a big old trading range. It ends up being a nice trade on the other side. Unfortunately, it's an outside bar reversal, so I wouldn't have taken it anyways. It is what it is. Fills a gap though. Yeah, we also broke a trend new low, but maybe one more push down would have been it before really considering to go long here. All right, pandas. This could be a short stream. A very short stream. Bouncing up now. Right, filling that gap is what the market really wanted to do. There's a gap here from the previous day's close on the 5-minute chart. Fills that gap, and it may go up from here. Could easily happen. Nice push down. I'm pretty sure a 1-to-1 was made. Yep, on the push down. The losing streak continues, pandas, and it's painful. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty painful. Losing streak continues here. We still got about $1,000 of threshold here. Still got about $1,000. That was such a small loss, though. 1, 2, not even 2.5 points. Honestly, it was a good trade. I think it's a good trade still, even though we lose it. I still think it's a good trade. The one thing I should have considered was trying to fill that gap, and also 2006 it did look like it wanted another leg down, right? When it looks like this, when it looks like this, it looks like it wants another leg down. Even this strong bull bar, it has a strong push down. You're looking for a new low on that move, or basically a two-legged move on the higher time frame. All right, I'll take a fail second entry short here if we get one. I thought we will, but if we do, I'll take it. I'll take it with 10, pandas. Let's go for it. Could be the shortest stream of all time.
$10,000 tick trap.
It's beneath the 20 EMA, which is a shame. So I cannot go long here, but anyways, it's continuing to go down, which is a surprise to me. It's actually a surprise. Such a bounce. This is a perfect bounce of the previous day's close. Cannot take this trade, unfortunately. It's beneath the 20 EMA. I thought we had a really good setup there, potentially. Bouncing off support, break a trend new low, just a lot of things going for it. I feel like my next trade has to be all or nothing, no? Is that not the case, pandas? I only have like $1,000 of threshold left here. Don't forget, I made some money, so my threshold, what's my threshold at? It's less than 1,000. It's like 800. Trap does trigger. I gotta wait for an uptrend to be established here. It's beneath the 20 MA. There's no reason to go too long here. It's not pretty, right? No long is pretty right now.
$10,000 tick trap.
higher low, maybe an okay trade. Maybe. Oof. I don't think you want to trade into that. Second entry short, maybe on a 10K chart. This is crazy. I can't make much sense of this right now. Double top here. Still a downtrend, just double top at this point. Several bounces off the previous day's close here. 1, 2, 3 bounces if we reverse here. If we reverse here. We're currently not reversing here, are we? This is funky. Very funky here. It's an IO pattern on the 10,000 tick. 10,000 tick IO. Are we gonna crash and burn here? I don't know, pandas. What's gonna happen? It's confusing. Taste is work your way back up. All right, we got one more bullet in the chamber for 5 contracts.
$10,000 tick trap.
Second push down. Are we just in a downtrend? Should I just look for shorts here? We're pretty much back in the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Right, the trading range, we've been in a trading range since yesterday. And we're pretty much back right into it. We're trying to pop out of it, but we're back into it. Might come back to the bottom of the trading range. Could be very possible here. Very possible. Or we can just enter into a limit order market, which you know that I hate. There's nothing worse than a limit order market when it comes to trading. Bad risk reward, bad probability. It's just a terrible market to trade. One, two, three bounces off the previous day's close. Could be a potential double bottom here. Panda roulette, yep. Give me that fail second entry short, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll do it. I'll do it. 1, 2, 3 bounces off. Get ready, pandas, for some fireworks here. I don't want to take it with the outside bar reversal. Pandas, this is it. This is it. We're in, pandas. We are in. Time to rock and roll. Could be the shortest stream ever. Could be the shortest stream of all time.
10,000 tick trap.
This is the shortest stream of all time. I'm out. Put it all in on that trap trade. It got me. I couldn't handle the pullback. This small little pullback only had like 2 points of drawdown. I'll be right back. Blacklight, yep, we can see your message. Nope. We can't see your message. We can't see your message asking us if you can see your message. Be right back, pandas. All right, pandas. We'll trade. This is a funded account. We'll trade a funded account here. We traded a funded account since we just miserably failed those evals. We're gonna trade a funded account. We're just it's one funded account, pandas. It's one. At least it's funded. But I don't want to sit here trading sim. I do not want to do that. So here I am, one funded account here for you guys.
10,000 tick trap.
The most you can make on a 50K account. $780 to stay underneath the 780 to stay underneath the consistency rule. Stay within the consistency rule. It's getting a bit wild right now. This price action is no good actually. When it started doing this, it's actually kind of crazy. I just saw several hits off of this support, and I saw the setup here. I went all in, and then I lost it all. I died. I'm dead. But pandas, we'll get back up. 780. 780. As long as you don't make more than 780 in any one day, you'll be within the consistency rule for the 50K accounts. It's in a limit order market right now, with slight bullishness, right? The 5 minutes staying above the 20 MA. So this could launch off. It could really launch off here. Big bull bar. Maybe now is when I should look for the trap, huh? Maybe now I should look for the trap.
$10,000 tick trap.
Maybe not. This price action is terrible. Again, it's a limit order market. You make more money if you just sell with limit orders above previous pivot highs. So this pivot high, just one tick above this pivot high here. Just one tick above it, just sell limit orders, and you can scalp out. Easy peasy. It's hard to figure that out before it happens. It's easy with hindsight bias. It's difficult to feel confident enough to enter a trade like that before it happens, right? Before you know what's going to happen. It's very difficult. We do got a trap trade here. Never mind. Jeez. Alright, maybe pushing down here. I mean, limit order market again. I mean, honestly, you're better off just buying down here than anything. Yusuf says, what happens if you make more money? They don't flag your account. You can make more money, but I'm basing that number off the minimum you need in your account in order to withdraw, right? 50K account, you need $2,600 in profit. 2,600, 30% of that is 780. And so that's where I'm deriving the number from. So let's just say you make exactly $2,600, then you can withdraw. But let's just say you make $3,000, right? Then you can make up to 1,000, or I don't know. What's 30% of 3,000? I know there's an easy way to do this, but it's 900. So 30% of you just multiply.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay. $900. So you can make up to $900, but that means you have to make $3,000 by the time you withdraw. Does that make sense? So you can make more than 780. It's just that means it's going to just be harder for you to withdraw at the end. Again, limit order market. Like I said, better off just buying down here, selling up here. This looks like it wants to go down one more time. I don't know what it is. The look of this makes it look like it wants to push down one more time. That's the look, but man, this is a support here. We're getting a trap trade set up. It's an ugly one, big risk as well. It's really hard to take this with a 50K account. The risk is too huge. Unless you crank it. Unless you want to crank it. Still limit order market. Okay, it does look like it wants to push down. It finally is, right? It looks. I mean, when you look at this, it looks like it wants to push down. I can't explain it, but that's what it looks like it wants to do. Can I explain this? I think what it is that it pushes down hard, and then like it just kind of floats back up, and it looks like it wants to like just make a new low essentially, which is what it's doing. Okay, it is pushing down. Wonderful. You got a trap trade far away from 20 MA. If I'm really convinced it's going to go down, I can go short here. But the setup itself is risky because you're not close to any resistance. It's pushing down now. I don't know how to describe it. When I see this, it looks like, well, let's say when I see this, it looks like it wants to go down. I don't know what it is about this. I think it's because when I see this big move up, it looks like there's nothing underneath it here. Maybe also the left, the price action on the left makes me feel like it wants to come back down into it. I don't know what it is, but it does look bearish when I see this. And it ends up being, you know, three bear bars in a row. I don't know how to put in words, but it just looks bearish. It looks like it wants to keep going down. It looks like a bear flag, essentially. That's kind of, maybe that's what I'm trying to say. It kind of just looks like a bear flag. Big push down, bear flag. It looks like it wants to tip over, kind of. Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute trading range is amazing. Trading range indicator is super accurate right now. It'll probably come down to touch it, the bottom of the trading range. Continuing basically to do what we did yesterday, right? 5-minute chart just in the same trading range. Not doing much. We're not doing anything much different than all of yesterday. Huh. Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Most likely some follow through after that. Right, 5-minute chart just printed, and it's most likely some follow through. I personally think this is like advanced mode trading right now. This is very difficult. Right, when you're trading in this, it's very difficult to time the reversals. Like, let's just say you buy the bottom of this trading range right here. Look how big of a, look how much risk you have to hold. But they're confident enough that they don't care. They keep scaling in, and at the end, they make a lot of money actually. Look at that IOO pattern on the 2000 tick chart. You rarely see an IOO pattern on the 2000 tick. Just saw one though. Pushes down. Like I mentioned, 5-minute, right? Strong bear bar, most likely some follow through. You're getting follow through, probably gonna touch the bottom of the trading range here. I don't. I may go long. May go long at the bottom trading range just because this is what it seems like it's gonna happen. We're just gonna be in a big old trading range all day. I'm looking for pounds, notes, loose change, bad checks, anything. Give me some money. Truly, truly, I'll take it. I'll take it all. The size of some of the bars is crazy. Yeah, that's what happens in trading ranges. Like, imagine you saw this. Imagine you just saw this move without seeing anything on the left. Just imagine like how you're like this is gonna be a forever bull trend, and then boom, reverses. That's the thing about trading ranges. The legs, bull legs and bear legs are very, very strong. So it tricks you to make you think we're gonna start trending because of how strong the move looks inside the trading range. But at the end of the day, it's still in a trading range, and the reason why these strong moves happen is because if you're a bear and you just sold here, and you can tell that there is a better price you most likely can sell, you'll get out of your position as quick as possible, which drives the market up, and then you enter in a better position. That's what they're doing, essentially. I don't know. I might as well buy here somewhere. I might as well just buy here somewhere. I just might as well, to be honest. Just buy anywhere here. Might as well buy around here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I see, I see, I see. What a higher low. That would be great. A higher low would be great here. A higher low would be great here. Well, I'll take a chance here. I'll take a stab at it. Knowing that we're in a big trading range, we can have really good risk reward here. Like really good risk reward, right? The 5 minute. Really good risk reward here, potentially. But low probability, right? Low probability trade, but we can try. I don't like this reversal here. If we get reversal, that's really bad. Right, we're still in a pretty strong downtrend. So that's the hard thing, right? When you're trading range and you're showing downtrends, like when do you reverse it? You can wait for the fail second entry short here. That'd be a better setup. That'd be the best setup you can wait for. This is risky, but good risk reward. Okay, not risky. This is low probability, but good risk reward. Let's get the... I'll try to come up break even here. I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna do a fail second entry short here. If we can get fail second entry short, I'll take it. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Gilbert Medina with the $100 super chat BBN, please buy 4 more evals so we can see you pass them. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
$10,000 tick trap.
Pandas, we are back. Gilbert, thank you for your dono. We are back live at it again. Goodness gracious. Super generous. We are back live at it again. I don't know. Pandas. I mean, I had to. I can't blow them. You're right. I feel bad, but I'm about to right now. Gilbert, thank you so much, but I'm going to blow these accounts right before your eyes. I appreciate it. We're going to pass them right now, though. I'll tell you that much. We're going to pass these right now. Trap trade underneath the 20 MA. Can't take that trade. It's in a strong downtrend right now. The 5-minute chart breaks beneath, but using as a previous lows as a support right now. Believe it or not, 10,000 tick chart is actually in a big trading range as well. Oh man, I can't take that trade right underneath the 20 MA. We're back to 4 evals, Pandas. All thanks to Gilbert. I mean, I had to do it the moment he gave it. If you drop a super chat $100, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. You want me to kill someone? I'll do it. Just give me the $100 super chat. I'll do anything. I'm joking. Pandas, I'm joking. I'm joking. $100 was way too low for that. Maybe like $200. Okay, let's see if we can get a setup, though. That is the question. Okay. I want to get aggressive, but I got to figure out where to do it at. You know the push up here? Oh, I got 10 contracts waiting just for you with your name on it. You got one trade to rule them all. I just gotta find a good setup. I'm trying to figure out what it is though. It has to be some sort of breakout, in my opinion. What should it be? Inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Is that enough? Is that enticing enough for me? Inside bar on the 5-minute. I think this is gonna go down, pandas. We're going down? We got an inside bar on a 5-minute. It could be enough. It could be enough here. Inside bar 5-minute chart. Second entry long here. We got inside bar on a 5-minute chart. It's a 5-minute chart inside bar. And we could be bouncing off the previous day's low right now. That's what I'm thinking here. Currently it's in a downtrend. That's the problem. That is the problem. It's currently in a downtrend. That is the problem. I typically don't like to go into inside bars going against the trend. It is going down. Several bear bars in a row. I'll take the inside bar if it breaks to the downside. If it's like an OII pattern. I remember back when you used to swing trade. Take us back to memory lane. Gilbert, you're too much. Alright, this one's for Gilb. The MVP for the last several weeks. Ooh, pushing down to the downside. Give me a fail second entry long on the 2000 tick. I'd consider it here. Fail second entry long on the 2000 tick. I'll attempt it if we get it. Small bar, maybe we can get that pullback. Ooh. Ooh. That failed second entry long. Waiting for it. If we can get it. We might get it. Just waiting patiently for it. Being real patient right now for it. Okay. That's a strong bull bar though, pandas. I don't know if I can take it with that. I don't know if I can really take it with that. All right, pandas. One trade to rule them all. Are you ready? Are you ready? One trade to rule them all. Here it is, pandas. Here it is. Get ready. I'm not touching it. Once it's in, I'm not touching it. It's all or nothing here. 10 contracts, 6.25 points is all you need to pass the evals. It's an OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. I'm in, pandas. Can we get it? This is for you, Gilbert. This was for you, Gilbert. Gilbert! Oh no. Oh no. That's not good at all. That's not good at all. That's not good at all. Uh-oh. Trap does trigger. This is not good at all right now. This is not looking hot. Too hot for us. But I would stay vigilant here, pandas. I'm letting it go. I'm letting Jesus take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. I thought the trap would trigger it. Whew! It's not looking too hot for me, pandas. I'll tell you that much right now. It is not looking too hot at all. I think we're dead. Pandas! Pandas! Gilbert, I tried. Gilbert, I tried. We're looking for that new high on this break of trend. Maybe we went a little too early on that reversal. Reversal down. Gilbert, I tried. I think that's it. I don't want to kill. I don't want to kill it anymore. Don't give me another 100. Don't do it. The OII pattern does work out, right? The OII pattern triggers here. Ends up being a nice trade to the long side. Balances out the previous day's low. Coming back back into the trading range. But Gilbert, don't give me any more money. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm actually losing a little money by doing that. Right? YouTube takes about 50%. So that 100 turns to about 50. And then $50, if you consider the tax, it turns to about $30. And with $30, you basically purchase one eval. But I purchased 4 for you guys. I'm actually losing money when you give me money. Don't do it. Don't give me any more. But that one's for you, Gilbert. That one was for you. I appreciate it. One trade to ruin them all. That's exactly what that was. I should have waited for the break of trend new high. The trap was too enticing for me. I really wanted to get in one direction. I think I was just anticipating a trade too much. I should have waited for this. I didn't want to miss this move. Plus, it was getting close to end of stream. I didn't want to like miss this move and be like, darn, I wish I got it. But this was the better thing to wait for. Wait for this. If we get a fail second entry long here, I'll take it. I'll take one more trade. I'm jumping back to my PA counts here. It's a second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart, and it actually looks decent. The second entry short looks decent on the 10,000 tick. Give me a fail second entry long again here. I'll take it. I'm gonna trade my my funded account here. You're not gonna see in the rhythmic. I don't want to have to change it all up. But right now, this is a funded account. Okay, lower high here. What I'm looking for is this. A, B, C, A. This is what I'm looking for. It would be nice if it was like right in this area. That'd be beautiful if we can get something in this area. And I'll just have to take it. I have to take it at that point. I just have to. Second entry long. That's a good thing for us because it could fail. We want it to fail. I'll trade this aggressively. I'll trade 5 contracts. 780 is what we're looking for. $780. With 5 contracts, that's about 2.5 points. Right. 2 points is 2 points with 5 contracts is 500. So you basically 3 points. We're looking for a 3-point trade. Looking for a 3-pointer. We're just blowing accounts left and right now. Second entry long, pandas. We're looking for that fail second entry long. Let's get this a trigger here. And we'll take the short side of this. Inside bar on the 2000 tick. Looks like my form here. It's not finished yet. Okay, I'd love to see that. I love to see that. I absolutely love it. Probably last trade of the stream. This is with funded accounts. This is very hard to take now. This trap is very hard to take now. It looks very bullish now. Right, you see the 20 EMA starting to rise up like this, curl up. Ooh, that's bullish. I can't take this trade. It's really hard to take this trade. It's a second entry short, possibly in a 10,000 tick chart. It's basically the trade I would want to take, I guess, at this point. We got a failed inside bar breakout. I possibly could take this trade. It's like my risk is just absolutely humongous here. You know, you have the OI pattern here. Inside bar. It just means on 2000 tick chart it was a triangle, small little triangle here. All right, last trade of the stream, pandas. Let's get it. Ooh, the inside bar does break out to the upside. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade here. I don't think I can take a trade here. That's nasty. It's breaking out. It's made a 1-to-1 probably already. Almost makes a 1-to-1 here. All right, it is what it is. Leah says, wise man told me once you lose 2, try again tomorrow. Okay, pandas. I mean, that's strong bull bar. I mean, this is going back up. I don't know. Typically, that's when you start to. I guess this failed trap is really the reversal point. Right, the trade I entered is when all the bulls who trapped came in, and it is what it is. Pandas, I'm gonna end this one a little early. Make sure you use BBM as I have been using, pandas, to gain some more accounts. Pandas. 80% off, 1 day to pass. I mean, hopefully we'll have some more funded accounts tomorrow. We'll see. But pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9 o'clock for pre-market show, 9:15 for mainstream. I hope to see you guys there. Trade safe, everybody. Don't do what I do. Don't do what I do. Trade safe. Don't copy me. Don't be aggressive like me. Trade safe, everyone. Stick to your plan, and hopefully you'll get some bamboo. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.